How to use Apple gift card for in-app purchases. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Apple gift card for in-app purchases. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide it through. Now, in order to use the gift card for in-app purchases, what you can do is simply open up your App Store first on your device. Then there, head into your profile. You can see the profile icon at the top right here. Under it, you shall find the option redeem gift card or code. So you want to tap on it and this page should pop up. Now under redeem code, you can either use the camera to either scan your code, your gift card, or you can enter code manually by tapping on enter code manually and enter in and redeem your code. Now once you have redeemed your code will be redeemed to your Apple Pay balance, right? Now next thing what you can do is, in order to make the in-app purchase, simply on the app you can choose Apple Pay as your payment method and then go ahead and use the balance. So this is how you can use Apple gift card for in-app purchases. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comment down below if you have any further issues.